This American Standard 10-US-ASD-1250 garbage disposal uses a strong 1.25 horsepower motor to chew through dense scraps, peels, and even small bones without bogging down. The grinding chamber and key components are made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, so the unit feels solid and is built to hold up under years of daily use. Its standard 3-bolt mounting system makes swapping it in for an older disposer straightforward, even for a homeowner who only tackles basic plumbing projects. A built-in odor control system helps keep lingering food smells from building up in the sink area, which makes the kitchen feel noticeably fresher between cleanings. The magnetic guard at the top helps catch stray metal items before they fall into the grinder, and the front reset button makes it easy to recover from the occasional overload. Because it grinds waste into very fine particles and is compatible with properly sized septic systems, it helps streamline cleanup while supporting a cleaner, more hygienic kitchen.